This is going to be the most impromptu, unplanned video, but it's the end of the year. I'm going to talk to you about what is in my wallet, this piece of paper right here. This list is something that will hands down change your life. And it comes from like a little spiral bound notebook. Now there's a few warnings to give you. It's just literally from this. This year, I'm writing using my green pen. I love green, it's my favorite color. Now let me tell you where I learned this idea from, how I do it, how the person or the people I learn from do it, also what to never ever do with this list, and how to manifest what you want in life. Before I do all that, this is what people are going to say. I have a course to offer you. I have zero to offer you on this. And I'm telling you that because it's important for me that you know, and it's important for you that you know, that this is in no way going to shape my financial future if you do it or you don't. But I want you to do it. And there's nothing that I'm gaining by telling you to do it. In my life, manifestation, law of attraction, energy, all those different things, there has been a theme, okay? Most of what you have seen in my website, my portfolio, the wall behind me, my accomplishments, were all once written on a piece of paper or heavily meditated, manifested on. To the point that I become almost like a born again, and I preach about it because I want people to do well. But it's not tied to any one God or any one faith. It works in conjunction with. This is a big label that I want to put here. This is your fork in the road, okay? In my experience, in my life, keep in mind, I've worked with prime ministers of different countries, presidential candidates in America. I have worked with Fortune billionaires, more than one, Fortune 500 CEOs, top authors, names like you would not believe: Madonna, Usher, Kanye West, Jennifer Lopez, Bernie Sanders, Ciara, Mariah Carey, Christina Aguilera, so many different people. Everyone that I know that is at this level, they do this. Everyone that I know that is struggling at this level, they're the first to make fun of this stuff. I don't know. Maybe it's a coincidence over the past 15 years. Everyone I know that is doing a good job failing, gosh, they're the first, or they're very unhappy, they're the first to make fun of these. Well, might as well give you something to unsubscribe about, right? And everyone I know that is grateful, that is doing better, that is making more money, that is reaching their goals, professional and personal, do this type of stuff, or they're opening up to energy and law of attraction and all of that. All right, that's all my warnings. Here's who I learned it from. I learned this from, so there's an old saying, the devil works hard, but Kris Jenner works harder. And she, I guess, and Robert Kardashian have taught their daughters how to do this. Now, there was probably about 10 years ago, they were being interviewed, and they said, like, one of the questions was, what have you learned from your mother and your father, or maybe your late father? They said that they do this list, and they do it every single year. So they were asked to please break it down. As luck would have it, this is the one time I'm watching this show. The list that I do is exactly like the way the Kardashians do it. Here's what they do, here's what I do, and I hope that you follow too. There are 11 things on this piece of paper. Of the 11 things, 10 of them are things that are within reach with a lot of hard work. So it's not like, oh man, I really want to get a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses. You could really just get that, put that on a credit card. That's not a big ask, or someone can gift it to you, as mine was gifted by my friend Gergo, so for my birthday. It's things that might take you several weeks, several months. You got to work at it, and it's almost within reach, and you just have to really work to go get it, okay? So it's 10 of those things. The 11th thing, that bonus thing on the piece of paper, is something that is so wildly unbelievable. It teaches you to aim for something way out of this atmosphere. On what is my success level? On a bad year where I barely look at this, I want to say that I probably get about 2 of them. And I look at the end of the year and I count, I'm like, damn, that's what you get for forgetting about it. On an average year, it's about 4 or 5. This year, at the end of 2024, there are 4 things that I've completed off of this. Now I gotta count again. 3 or 4 additional things that are at least a third of the way into it. There is no way for me to be able to explain to you how it happens. There are people that do break it down, and I love that for them, but for me, all I can do is give you my promise because I have nothing to gain. I have nothing to sell you. This isn't about photography or video. It doesn't even, the algorithm actually will probably punish me, but I want to put this out there because I want you to win. I can't prove to you how it works, but man, it works. It works so good. And once you realize manifestation truly works, how you know it truly works is that you'll start getting mad at yourself for not being open to it sooner, for not wanting to learn about it sooner. But you only know what you know. And you never want to show anyone what is on your sheet. That's why you're getting like really vague movements from me. Because think about it, okay? So you're moving towards your goal. You're on this track. And you start to share your goals with friends and family because you're human and you want validation. And they're like, no, I don't know if you could do it. I mean, I wouldn't do it. It's kind of dangerous. And they start pushing you this way and you eventually get the courage to come back. You've wasted so much time and energy just to come back on track if you do at all. Protect your dreams, protect your future. The other thing I want to say is the secret recipe here is feeling. You have to feel it. So imagine if I send you to Whole Foods, for example, and I say, can you go get some Christmas cookies? You're like, okay, where's Whole Foods? If you're not new to this, if you're new to this area, etc. Where's the cookies? What kind of Christmas cookies? The universe is exactly the same way. So, but if I was to say, go to Whole Foods, it's this way, and 2 blocks up. When you enter the store, in the third aisle, like the third front of the aisle, there's a Christmas display. There's like a reindeer on it. They look like Oreos, and there's like a candy cane or something. And I think there's 2 flavors. One might be peppermint or something, and one is vanilla. Get the vanilla one, and then just go through the cashier, and that's it. I give you exact directions. You have like a massive chance of being successful in finding this. The same thing is with the universe. So you cannot say, I want to have a home on the beach. Well, what beach? Off of South America, Africa, North America, Asia, India? Where? How big? What kind of a home, right? So you have to give the universe what you want. So you could say something like, I want a 3-level home that's Spanish style on PCH in Laguna Beach, but on the PCH side, on the coastal side of it, not on the mountain side of it. And I want it to be all Spanish tiles, and I want like 5 round balconies that let you see the sunset no matter what time of year it is from all different levels. And I want the best neighbors, and they have to have the cutest dogs because I'm gonna have a dog, and the dogs all need to go on a walk together. And I want a private staircase made of this type of wood that goes to the beach. And I can go there and I can come back up, and it's safe and it's secure, and it's just something that all my friends and family can come to, the ones that deserve it, and they can enjoy it. Got to give the universe exact directions. So when I say I want to photograph the cover of Vanity Fair magazine, ideally Vanity Fair Italia, and then Vanity Fair Italia contacts me, and I become the first photographer, I think in well over a decade, to do it without a manager, without an agent, and I become the first Afghan photographer to shoot a major magazine cover without an agent, of any kind of Afghan photographer. I had to give the universe exact directions. When I say I want to meet somebody and I want to work with somebody, I had to give exact directions. It doesn't say, I want to photograph Bernie Sanders. I want to work with, not said pop star, Madonna. I had to give the universe directions, and the universe went and got it for me and brought it to me with a whole lot of hard work. It's not just write it down and poof, it appears. It is with hard work. But something happens between writing it, reading it, feeling it, and the repetition. You naturally start working towards it. I can't prove it to you. I can't prove it to you. Besides my own experience, I have nothing to gain. But most of what you see behind me and on my website, the things I have in my life, the people that I have met, are because it was once written down or I heavily meditated on it. So as we get into 2025, you don't have to do it January 1st, but I do mine December 31st of every single year, and I write it down, and I handwrite it, and I stuff it in my wallet. I'm buying a new wallet this year too, and I put it in there, and then whenever I'm in line at a grocery store, whenever I'm sitting in my car, and there's like a train track, and it's safe for me to open this, whenever I'm on a Zoom call I didn't need to be on, okay? I'll open it, I will pick one, and I will feel about it. Not think about it, I will feel about it. What would it feel to have that? What would it feel to go there? And with whom? And what would the wind feel like? And what would the ground feel like when we're walking on it? And what would it feel like to eat the food there? And what would it taste like? And what will my family feel like when I send them the first batch of photos, or maybe they're with me? And what would it feel like when I show my mom and dad their hotel room that was a penthouse and overlooking the ocean? What does that feel like? And when it is about feel, it is the secret recipe. I have nothing to gain. If you do this, only my admiration for you. Okay, and also, maybe like $2 in YouTube ad revenue, but that's it, okay? This goes even against the algorithm of this channel. But I just think that it's a lesson you need to hear, whether you're a subscriber to this channel or you're not. I thought I should do a video that is raw, unedited, and just put it out there for whoever that needs to see it to find. But you're absolutely worth it. Handwrite the sucker on a piece of paper and don't share with anyone, and manifest what you want. Manifest plus hard work, and you're going to see your dreams. Okay? Thank you so much. My name is Walid Azami. When I launch the new channel, I'll link to that also. And I hope you guys have the best 2025. Thank you. Boy, this battery was flashing. I didn't think I was going to make it, but I didn't manifest the life. It actually just made it. Okay, I'll stop talking.